Hey folks, Darren here, back with another plumbing adventure. Today we're saying goodbye to this old American standard toilet and saying hello to this new shiny Gerber pressure-assisted beauty. Let's get our hands dirty and hope nothing explodes. First, we've got this trusty American standard. It's been with us through thick and thin and thicker. But now it's time for an upgrade. Sorry, old buddy, it's not you. Actually, it is you. All right, let's get this thing out of here. Time to turn off the water and drain the tank. Always remember, a toilet holds more water than you think. Kind of like your uncle at the family BBQ. Now let's lift this bad boy out. They say lifting with your legs is the way to go. But I say lift with your dream. Or, just be careful not to throw your back out. Next, we clean up the area. You'd be surprised how much gunk builds up under a toilet. It's like a hidden treasure trove of grossness. Remember, folks, cleanliness is next to not smelling like a sewer. Now for the star of the show, the Gerber pressure-assisted toilet. This baby is like the Ferrari of toilets. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it makes a noise like a jet engine taking off. Perfect for those Taco Tuesday aftermath. Let's get this connected. Tighten the bolts, hook up the water supply, and give it a test flush. Hear that roar? That's the sound of efficiency, or fear. Maybe both. And there you have it. A brand new Gerber pressure-assisted toilet ready to take on anything you throw at it. Or in it. And hey, remember, folks, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join me on more plumbing escapades. Because who doesn't want more toilet humor in their life? Until next time, keep your pipes clean and your humor dirty. See you soon.